Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a blog post into a video using the Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are on the main screen, within the video tab, click on the script. Here you can paste the text from your blog post. Please make sure to remove extra headings or unnecessary links so that the script flows smoothly for the narration. Then tap next. Choose a video template or style that you liked, then again tap next. After that, you can choose an AI voice for your video. Fliki offers many options. Choose male or female voice and adjust the speed or tone to match your vlog style. Then tap submit option. Fliki will automatically match your text to scenes, images and transaction. Once you have selected the voice and templates, it may take some time to generate the video. Fliki will process your script and create a full AI video with narration based on your vlog content. You can just review the generated video from the video icon at the top. After previewing the video, if needed, go to the edit to trim the section and adjust the audio or replace the visuals. And that's it. This is how you can successfully convert a blog post into a video using Fliki. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.